Okay, welcome to part 2 of this oxygen study guide. Today we're going to do our respiratory system found in our abdominal cavity, so in this area obviously, along with parts of the digestive, excretory, and reproductive systems bring in oxygen. The lungs are found in the thoracic cavity, which is basically what you see here, obviously, thoracic cavity. The diaphragm is a sheet of muscles that contract. Let me zoom in, make it a little easier to see. This is the diaphragm. Well, they are a sheet of muscle that contract to let us breathe in and relaxes us to exhale. So maybe let's think about it. When you have maybe when you're having a breathing contest with your friends, I don't know. You cannot stop, after you take in a long breath and you kept it in, your lower, lung or diaphragm hurts because you have kept it in so long and you haven't let it relax and exhale. So that's basically why. I don't know if that made sense, but hopefully it did. The intercostal muscles, which mean between the ribs, so let's write that down. Intercostal between ribs. So these muscles also help with the process. So the oxygen is carried away from the alveoli by the hemoglobin and the red blood cells to capillary beds that are found in all body tissue. So whoa, what the heck did she just say? Don't worry, I'm going to draw this out for you. So let's just pretend this is our alveoli. I'm not going to draw it in that much depth because I'm a little lazy. I'm going to be honest here. So the oxygen is carried away from the alveoli by hemoglobin in the blood cells. So hemoglobin, let's just make these hemoglobins. I don't know if this is what actually, probably not a good drawing at all, but whatever. For learning purposes, it's okay. So the alveoli, so oxygen, it's carried away with the hemoglobin in the red blood cells to capillary beds that are found in all body tissue. So let's just make this a capillary bed. So these capillaries are hair-like tiny vessels where arterioles, which are little arteries, meet venules, little veins. So we could just draw it like this. The arteries meet the veins. So these are the place where oxygen, nutrients, and hormones get dropped off, and cellular waste gets picked up. So they all take, I don't know, we could just make this energy, nutrients, hormones, whatever you want to say. They get carried this way, taken out this way, taken out that way. So we're good. So how much air do we normally breathe in and out? Well, we breathe in and out 15 minus 20x per minute, which is approximately 22,000 x per day. And we process 300 cubic feet, which is 300 cubic feet, which is, you're going to be like, whoa, what the heck with this number, 2100, comma, or 22400 gallons of air, where did water come from? No, gallons of air every day. That much gallon of air, that's crazy, right? Yeah, okay. So, how efficient are our lungs at capturing oxygen from the air? So normal humans use about 10% of their lung capacity at rest. So 10% at rest. 21% of the air around us is oxygen, and the air we breathe out is about 15% oxygen. So we use about 25% of the oxygen in the air and expel about 75% of it out. So I don't really think I can draw this out, help you visualize it, but that's basically what it is. Moving on. Okay, I'm going to make a separate video about tidal volume, reserve volume, all that kind of stuff, so